Hi there, Chris here. So I have this very cool little padlock made in England that Crappy sent me, and he sent it to me in a little package with his cool little spacers for disc containers, and it is let's see if I can remember, Enoch Pimco, something like that. Anyway, very cool. It will open either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and it's kind of a tough little pig. So I'm going to try and get into it. There's front, there's back. It says 1152 on it. All right, so top the keyway tension. Here comes Slinky. All I have to do is talk and she shows up. She's always lurking. All right, so I think it has all standard pins in it. Did I show the bitting? There's the bitting, and that's great bitting on it too. All right, let's get into this thing. So fairly light tension, and I'm just trying to set those, what it feel like standard pins. I think that was one, but I may have set that out of order. We'll see. Let's see where we are here. You know, when you set one too early, you have trouble setting the other ones. Or if you do set them, you lose one. I'd go for that, and then I can go back and set one and maybe be done. One and done? Nope, we got it on 3. There we go. And I like it because it's one of those locks that will open on, it'll get hung up on different pins, so it picks differently. It's not like you can always get everybody behind one and then say, okay, now one, boom. That one, it went with 3. I think the last time I opened it, when I was playing with it, it went on 1. So, Crappy, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be doing, I'm playing with his spacer discs, and they seem to be giving me a lot more control. Now I gotta up my picking game. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, hit the like, ask a question, and we will see you next time.